Hi guys, I've just deposited a few quids. Trying to get this £100 bonus. I have no idea how to do it. So I deposited, I think, £39 and it gave me £78 instead. So we will see what we can do with it. Well, the main thing is I was trying to get this £100 bonus, but it's weird. I don't understand that. Alright, anyway, we have some cash, so let's have some fun. I will get the bonuses and bring you back. That's the first bit of action. Wow, nothing. Here, balance struggling. I have choose Tome of Madness. The beginning stake was 20 pence, but I did increase it to 50 pence. We will see if we can get anything exciting on this game. If not, I will move on. Yeah, we have a little bit more action here.
Frenetic.
Let's see if we can get the free spin one.
Unbelievable. Void.
Alright, so it's a 4 portal. Okay, let's see how it will go. So far to 75. It's a 50p pence stake.
Madness. Abyss. Phenomenal. Void.
We need the top right corner here. So 575. Really bad. That's like 11x. Okay, yeah, I will leave this game. That was really bad. Basically half of the balance gone. Not much fun on this game. Okay, I will bring you back. Looks like we got a bonus. Okay, that's just a 20 pence stake, so nothing special. But sometimes even the smallest stake giving the better bonuses. Well, let's see. I totally don't know what's going on in here. Okay, spins left, so 7 spins left. We have some. Okay, so oh, that's a good one. Or it's not. There is like a random picture on the left, but what it does. Oh, I see. That can be good. Come on, 4-3, really. Go on. Yep. Now the 5th one. Oh, fuck off. Ooh. Is that top symbol? I think so. Oh, go on. Ah. And it's times 7 as well. Wow. If that would go to the end, imagine. Boom. 1260. Yeah, that's not bad. Like I said, sometimes the bonuses for like the little stake ones goes better than the high stakes ones. Cool, some money back, £18.30. That's cool, that's cool. Really nice game, that one. Alright, couple more spins and I will move on. So I have no idea how those pictures works on the left. Not a clue. Alright, I will try to find some other bonuses. Be right back. He's doing something. Okay, not bad. Yeah, I've stayed for a couple more spins on this one, but not much happening from the last bonus, so I will move on. See you on the next one. Ah, I found that one, the Black Knight. Very classic, very old slot. Oh, come on. First spin. I choose the stake 10 pence, and I was trying to do this big bet thing, but even though I did change the stake, it still says £20 for big bet game. So I'm wondering what's the stake for the big bet. Is it gonna be £1 or £2 per spin? Weird. Okay, I will spin a little bit normally, and if the bonus land, I'll bring you back. Mega tease. Oh, the ball is going really fast because it's not much happening in this game. Oh, beautiful. Right, I increased it to 50 pence, so let's hope that's gonna be a good bonus. In arcades, those bonuses are really nice paying, so let's hope we will see the same in here. We did the Black Knight on the middle. Oh, come on. Oh yeah, there you go, one. So another on the reel 2 now. Come on, reel 2. Oh, come on. We need reel 2 for few wins. Oh, that's gonna be a nothing. Oh, that's really bad. Last spin. So at least give us a last spin on the reel 2 and the reel 4 as well, so we can boost the balance. No. Alright. Great. That's shite. That is a shite. Oh. 550. Wow. 11x. We'll do a few more spins, but I'm moving this game. It's in arcades, it's really good, but it looks like it doesn't work online. Yeah, alright. I see you on the next one then, guys. Just a quick update, I'm over Sword of Cons, and the balance is nearly done. I didn't even had the single tease, 50p stake, so it looks like I will be reloading in a minute. Don't really fancy reloading because I was chasing this £100 bonus. It's still not on the account. So. Oh, first is go on land. Okay. Alright, I will reload and hopefully I will get this bonus finally. So I basically reloaded for 50 and I gave 100 spins to Sword of Cons. Didn't get teased, didn't get any big win. It's just seems to be dead this slot. I will give it a couple more spins, either first tease or just a few spins and I will move on. Because I don't want to spend whole balance just for this game. Oh, there you go. Oh, it's land. Okay, nice. Right. Good, it's landed because the balance is struggling. And I definitely don't want to reload again. Go on, 15. And top symbol. Obviously we don't want the top symbol, which is never landing. If it would land, it would be super nice, but it's so rare. Go on. The shields I want to see at least 3 times. And at least 1-3. The triple shield. Just once, please. Come on, swords, London. Okay. Bonus up to 1050. Very low. We need this sword, come on. Oh my goodness. You got to be landing there. Yes. Right. Okay, good. And full line of Jack for 10x. 8, not bad. It seems to never give more than 10. This game, okay. We have a queens. Okay, can we have like expansion, like more than 2? But not with queens, obviously. With shields. Oh, 4 queens. I will take it. Okay. Bonus up to £31. 5 spins left. Right. I'm still waiting for this 3 shields expansion. 2 spins. I'm not asking for much, do I? Oh, shitty last spin. Okay, we know how much is it. It's 36.75. Not bad, but I'm gonna move on because it took me a long time to get this bonus on this game. So I see you on the next slot. Alright, I'm over gimmicks. That's an old slot as well. I remember when I was really enjoying the way it's playing. We will see if it's still playing. Well, I remember that it never gives you big wins, but it did like maintain your balance, so you could play this game for a long time, not losing much money. So let's see how it's act now. I will probably play for 1 world or a nice win. We'll bring it back if something happened. Okay, it's fully loaded. Let's see what we will get. And we have light beam. Okay, we wanna load it like at least two times in a row, so it can give big win. Alright, well, I will bring you when it's loaded again, maybe now? Is that gonna load it? Not yet, one more? Nah. That's a nice drop of wilds from the old man. And we fully loaded. Maybe we can... Oh, can we overload it? Come on. It was close, it was close. Crystal rock. This enough? Yep. Yeah, that's enough. Alright. One more. That's not really a good one. Yep, that's that. Oh, we didn't even see how much was it. Not much, probably. Okay, I will bring you back when it's loaded again. I think that will be loaded. No? It was looking much better. There was a nice hit, loads of greens, and it did fully load it. Can we get some more in here? No. Okay, £2 win. Really low. Like I said, this game it's never giving like a massive wins, but at least the balance stays. So we can have lots of fun in here. Okay. Is it gonna load? No? Alright. Okay, we completed the level. So now we go to the level 2. And different pattern. So basically it's collecting the money. On the right bottom you can see the world bonus. Now it's £1, so if we complete 3 patterns, then we will get this money. It's not much, it's something that will keep you playing. Alright, that was low. Yeah, so if we complete this world, I will probably jump to the next slot, because if you continue playing this game, sometimes it feels like you never want to end it. Oh, that's maybe loaded. No? No. Alright. Oh, loads of blues. I thought that's gonna... Yeah, it did load, but the amount of blues there was looking much better. It's always looking much better than it actually is. Alright. Again loaded. Crystal rock on the middle. Oh. I was thinking about this Nova. Oh, that was shite. Didn't even hit. 140 win, and what we getting this time? The lightning. Sorry, 176 win. There was 140 just from the heart. Can we load it again? Nope. Okay. And that's gonna load it. I'd love to have at least one hit when it like fully loading. Nice. And now load it to the very end. Come on. Oh, come on, one more hit. Oh. Those green ones could do it. Okay, so level up, and the last pattern We will just complete this pattern, we will grab this world bonus and probably we will move on. Well, not probably, for sure we will move on. So this game, I don't feel this game can like give us a big win. Here we go again. Come on, be a goodie. On the middle, Nova. On the middle. Yeah, something like that. But like hearts, stars, something that pays. Oh. And again. That's not even hit. Right, we almost completed this world. Just a one dot on the right, and I'm gonna move on. Yeah, we spent like £15 on this slot, not much happening. And that will be it. The world is completed. So lost a little bit of action. Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna be even rolling. I'm not gonna give it even one roll on this world, because I'm afraid we will hit something good and I will be tempting to stay for one more. So I will jump to the next one. See you soon. Negatism here. And we landing. Awesome. That was just a few spins. I basically just came in maybe 10, 12 spins. I go gates. High voltage. I never get any good hit in high voltage, so I go gates. So we want a skull, right? Oh, come on. Obviously the game knew that it just came in within 10 spins. That's why we're getting disco ball. Sometimes I think it doesn't really matter. Because I've seen the bonuses where people getting balls or skulls, and there are mental wins. And then I've seen the bonuses when I was getting 9 or 10 and there was no wins, like very little wins. So maybe it doesn't really matter which picture you get. Plus spin. Yep. Not even a win last spin. 864. I will try a few more spins and I will jump to the next slot. Oh, that's not bad. Yeah, that's probably because this bonus was shite. We will try to get the quick bonus on that one, the Eye of Horus. This takes 60 pence, so if we won't get the quick bonus, the balance may die. And I find out how those bonuses works. So there is £100 bonus, but I need to Vagger 32 times that, and it's paying off £10 each time I Vagger or I roll for 600. So it's a lot to do to get this bonus. Not worth it. Like basically all of those casinos bonuses, not worth it. Come on, land. Come on, bones. We need it. We need you fast. Quick update. I lost all balance on this game. Then I reloaded 50, lost it all, and now I reloaded 100. I'm gonna just play for one more tease, and I'm gonna move on. That was a really bad choice. So yeah, either one tease or a bonus, and I'm moving. So I basically stayed on Eye of Horus looking for my last tease. Guess what? It never came up. So I reloaded for 100 again and moved to the Real King Megaways. Let's hope we can get some fun into it. There's a big win I didn't see. Oh, 12.30, alright. That's a stake 60 pounds, so yeah, 20x qualifiers a big one. Yeah, it's not bad. And nah, this is like, I don't know, maybe fifth tease. I've never been higher than the Real King. I wish to go to the Mega King at least once and see how it looks like. I've changed the stake for a pound because it's treating me well, so hopefully it's not a bad idea and I'm not gonna down this balance too fast. Alright, maybe now? No? Great. It was looking promising. How about now? No? Great. And now go on. No way. I increase it to £2, but only I will go down only to 80. And if nothing gonna happen, I will change that. How about now? Nah. Yeah, of course I stayed, because it's just... Oh wow, oh wow. I was just going to say I just stayed because I just needed any bonus, because jumping between the games without the bonus, and this is what happened. Boom! Good that I stayed. That's a nice hit. 128. Cool. Shame that it didn't carry on. Those watermelons could connect. That would be nice as well. But well, that was a nice one. Yeah. All right. Okay. I will stay a little bit longer. I need any bonus because I feel sorry for you guys that you ain't gonna have much bonuses to watch. So I'm trying my best here. We have a bonus on Fishing Frenzy Megaways. I had to move from the previous slot. It's because it's crashed. I came into that one with 180 balance. Bonus land fairly quickly, so hopefully the Frankie will be showing himself up for some fishes. Go on. Great, no fishes, no Frankie. Yeah, that's a great start. Perfect. That's a perfect. At least some aces, so yeah. Oh, go on, go. Oh, nice, and he's got some fishes over there. Nice. That's a good one, 58 quid. Yep, and a little bit more. Okay, we all know how much is that one. Come on, Frankie, now. For God's sake. Whenever you see the big fishes, the Frankie is never landing. Come on, Frankie, one more time. Yep, go on. 40, yeah, 58. Cool, yeah, that's a good one. 5 more spins. 142. Bonus 142. Oh, another 40, 50, 60, 74, 74. That's a good one, yeah. So bonus over 200 now, yeah. 3 more spin. Come on, Frankie. Come on, last time. Last spin, come on. No. Okay. So 222, 222. That's 111x. That's good bonus. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Yeah, I will give it a few more spins and I will move on. Wow, I give it a couple more spins and the bonus land again. Nice. I take it all day long. Come on, Frankie. Show yourself up for some big fat fishes. Come on, lad. I know you there. Wow, really? Come on! 20 pounders. Oh, where were you there? Oh, so many fish. Come on, Frankie, one time. Yeah, 80 pounds, not bad. 2 more spins. Go on. Yeah, 14 pounds more. Last spin, Frankie, land to catch lots of fishes. Lots, or every reel some fishes and Frankie and double Frankie. Triple Frankie. Quadra Frankie. Come on. Yeah. Well, I take it. It's just bonus after bonus, so yeah, I take it. That's really nice. That boosts me up to 474 balance, so yeah, I will try for a couple more spins here. Well, I would love to play some Montezuma Megaways, but as you can see, there is some books, so I don't know if it's worth to play this. It's like absolute mystery. No, I can't play like that. Alright, I will find different Megaways as well. Yeah, I know I was promised the Megaways, but I found that one and I couldn't resist. Look at that, almost full line of wilds. I'm wondering how much would that be. The bet, 90 pounds. I came in with 450 balance, so I'm a little down now, but hopefully the bonus will drop in a minute and we'll fix the balance. And we got a taste here. Oh, always one down, always one down. Another taste. Come on, land. Land. Right, and another one. Can you land it this time? Yeah, we got it. Okay. Right. I would say I want a 10. Wow, 4. Fuck you, game. Seriously. Seriously. If you never seen the zero bonus on this game, there you go. Oh no, it's not 0. 690. Fuck you, game, seriously. Yeah, I moved to the comp Megaways. As you can see, the balance really hurt. I've stayed too long on the previous slot. It was basically just dropping nothing, eating all my balance. So yeah, hopefully the conch will give us a bonus, and that's probably gonna be my last slot today because I'm kinda tired. We will see. Oh, Megatees. Oh, come on. And there is a good win as well. It's a 40 pence stake, so 28 quid win. Yeah, really nice, really nice. Shame that the bonus didn't drop. Oh, Conch is doing something. Go on, Conch. Come on, Kong. Throw. But this time connect. Nice. Ugh. Obviously the lowest thing. Lame. Such a lame. And we got a tease. Oh, landman. Yeah, the Kong didn't drop the bonus and ate most of my balance. I kept £60 for Bruce Lee, and that's gonna be a final slot. Hopefully I will bring you to the chest. Unfortunately, Bruce Lee didn't drop any bonus. I have some of those wheels. I will play them out. If anything good will drop, I will show you. If not, I will just take the balance and try to do something with it to show you. I get that bonus for free. Let's see how much we can get in this one. Sorry, the screen view was other way around. Okay. It says free bet on the bottom because it was the free wins from the wheel, and from those free wins I get the feature, the free spins bonus. Not really sure if it's £8 or... Yeah, that's £8, so... Yeah, the stake is £10, so that's a not bad bonus here. So in total we collected of just over £20 from those old wheels and free spins and other things. We will try this lot. It calls Holmes and the Stolen Stones. Just try it for a little bit and we'll see. Just a minimum stake. Yeah. Oh, we have a bonus here. It's not the free spins, it's the other one. The warehouse bonus. Let's see. Okay. So I'm picking. Oh, do I need the diamonds or what do I want? Okay, the grenades finished. 240 plus 2 diamonds. Alright, so the balance is £3. Stake 20 so probably we will bust soon. But I'm sure I will come back to this game because I want to see what's gonna happen if we fill up all of those crystals. Okay, bust time, so that will be it for today. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know, and I see you next time. Cheers.